Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, Mom.
Today will be a busy day.
I have school today. Mom, my stomach hurts.
Are you okay, sweetheart?
I feel very dizzy.
Please sit down carefully.
Your face looks pale. Is Lily sick?
We should go to the hospital.
Yes, right now.
Lily,
Can you walk?
a little bit. I will bring her backpack.
Thank you, Ethan. I am calling a taxi.
My head hurts too.
Stay calm, sweetheart.
The taxi is coming.
Good, good. Let's go carefully.
I will carry Lily. What happened?
What happened?
My daughter feels very sick.
I will drive quickly. Thank you very much.
I feel cold.
Here is your blanket.
Don't worry, Lily.
Okay.
We are almost there.
Stay strong, Lily.
We arrived at the hospital.
Good luck.
Let's go.
Please help my daughter. Bring her inside quickly.
What symptoms does she have?
She feels dizzy and weak.
I understand. Has she had a fever?
Wait,
I feel sleepy.
Stay awake, sweetheart.
You can do it.
Hello, Lily. Hello.
Hello.
I will check your temperature.
Okay.
She has a high fever.
Oh no. Do not worry.
Will she be okay? She needs some medicine.
Thank you, doctor. Please follow me. Okay.
This hospital is very big.
Yes, it is.
You are very brave.
Thank you, Mom.
Please sit here.
Thank you. Everything will be okay, sweetheart.
Will I go home soon?
Are you scared?
A little. I'm staying right here with you.
Okay.
I am here with you.
That makes me happy.
The medicine is ready.
Good, good. Please drink this medicine.
Okay.
How do you feel now?
A little better. She needs rest today.
We understand.
Can we go home soon?
Yes, very soon.
I feel less dizzy now.
That is wonderful.
Her fever is lower now. Thank you so much.
We were very worried.
She will recover soon.
You can leave soon.
Really?
That is great news.
That is great news. Yes, it is.
Thank you for helping us. You are welcome.
I want to go home now.
Soon, sweetheart.
The taxi is here again.
Great.
How is she now?
She feels much better. She feels much better.
Thank you for helping us.
You are very brave.
I was very worried. Oh. I know. I want some soup later.
I will make it for you.
We are almost home.
Good.
Thank you for helping me.
You are my sister.
We are home now. I am happy.
Please rest on the sofa.
Okay.
Here is your soup.
Thank you.
I am glad you are okay.
Me too.
Today was very stressful.
But everything ended well.
Thank you, everyone.
We love you, Lily.
Today, Lily had an emergency trip to the hospital. Her family stayed strong and helped her feel safe.
If you enjoy Easy English Stories, please like, comment, and subscribe for more slow English learning adventures every week.